gosh, I'm so tired. He's driving again, and finally we're with Sam.
Hi. We'll get used to it. We'll get used to it.
We got home from Paris around 8:30 in the morning, and now we're driving to the airport to go to Italy.
And it's 11:30 now.
It's 11:30. We didn't sleep well yet.
We drove 8 hours,
Oh
spent the
my.
day at Disney, 30-minute nap in the car, drove 8 hours back here, an hour-long nap at the charging station.
Who can do that? Us.
Us and a few energy drinks.
Oh yeah! So excited to go to Italy now, and makita si Boneng and si Suhan and yung family, and excited kami to just go around with this man. Yeah! I'll see you guys later at the airport. Mas alam pa nila yung song kesa sa akin.
We're at the airport na.
I'm
We're
tired.
waiting with Sam to get his
Bad.
bag checked. Having an issue, so we're waiting. We're exhausted, but we're excited to go to Italy, yeah? We have some carry-on bags, but should be fine. Kabawal sa mag-self-check-in? Can't self-check-in? Tignan mo sa magandang asawa ko. Maganda siya.
Pagod
Diba?
lang. At maitim.
Maganda siya.
Pagod at maitim. Kaya pangit na.
Pangit ba yun? No way. You excited? Yeah?
Yeah.
Nasa basta kami.
Nasa bus sa
Sa Milan.
Pupunta kami sa Central.
And then, doon na kami susunduin nila Boneng. I think, nag-iintay na sila sa amin doon. It was a quick flight, right?
Oh,
Sorry.
hindi kami
Ano?
tabi sa plane.
Oh, that's sad.
Changing seats namin.
Sana magkatabi kami sa plane ka. So, it was
May
so
problema.
stressful.
At least, dito na tayo, no?
No?
At least, nakapunta na tayo dito.
Oh, good.
Diba?
Oh, ang init. My gosh, sobrang mainit. Ang sunog na yung mukha ko.
Maganda pa rin. Gusto ko matulog.
Again?
Maayos.
Attitude. The attitude in the
Been up for too long na.
Mahal, you need to take a video of us pag nakita kami ni Boneng, okay? Okay. We'll see you later. Pagkasama namin sila.
Here we are in Italy now. We are in our little room where we are staying. And tapos we are going to shower, get dressed, and go have dinner at Karen's friend's house. Good morning! We got a good night's sleep finally. And at least 8 hours? No, 9 hours?
For him, it's 9. For me, I guess I got like 7 or 8. It's okay already.
We're getting dressed, about to leave. We're going to Lake Como, diba? Punta kami sa Lake Como. Tapos mag-rent kami ng sasakyan. Si Sam, He's picking it up right now and we'll meet him sa Central. Tapos, paglabas yun, mag-Jollibee kami. We're outside waiting for our friends.
Ready to go! We're going now to Lake Como. My nose is so big, no?
We're going to Lake Como.
And that's our friend! Coming!
Saan tayo?
We're going now to Jollibee and we just got here sa Duomo Cathedral. But for sure, we're going back here later. And we are with Swan and Onek. After 5 years, nakalimutan namin mag-vlog kahapon. After 5 years, the last time na nakita-kita kami is nasa Pinas ako and then sila ay umuwi din ng Philippines. And then ngayon, nakita-kita kami dito sa Milan. My gosh, that's so nice. That's my baby. Hey, hi. And now we're going to Jollibee. Been waiting for this. Okay, see you later. Bye.
Nagyayaya ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali. Halika na, tara na, doon na nga ang punta. Labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling kapag bida ang saya. Bida tayo, bida tayo.
And nasa Jollibee na kami ngayon. Yeah. Hey Sam. Got here in Lake Como now with the gang.
Okay, we're at Lake Como, town of Como.
Hi! We're just walking around here.
We lost Sam for a little bit,
Huh?
but we're gonna find him. Just
Saan?
doing some shopping before we go home.
We're not going
here,
home.
No? Back to our Milan.
Show it, baby. Nice, no?
Mga suwan. Bilisan mo!
Sumakay ka sa Swan. Kumusta yung water?
Feeling ko yung paa ko ay nag-yellow.
Ice?
Yeah. Kasi sobrang malamig yung water with cake. That was a fun experience, huh?
Tapos na kami sa
We're
Como.
Lake Como. It's such a beautiful place.
So,
Ay,
babalik
malamig.
na ano. Kami sa Milan. Punta kami sa...
Walmart! And then we're gonna change clothes first, of course.
Of course.
Thanks to this.
Are you tired?
Little bit, not really. Someone is very tired of taking pictures with me. Laging sabi niya, last na.
Love you, pa.
Love you,
Still
pa.
love you. Going back.
Thanks for this. For this.
Here we are at our Airbnb, and we are currently getting changed because we went to Lake Como. Como? Lake Como. Tapos, Como. Comotos. We went to Lake Como and explored, took a lot of pictures. A lot of pictures. And now Sam and Suhan and Boning went to the store. They had something for Sam's dad, and we are getting changed. Kasi kailangan ng bagong outfit before mag-picture, diba?
Yes, sir.
Tapos, picking out their earrings. Good. Now we're waiting for Sam to come back and pick us up. We'll catch you guys later.
Town.
We're in Chinatown right now
Here in
in
Milan.
And
We're gonna
we're-
try some food.
We need to try natin.
I think we're gonna try the dumpling and takoyaki.
Fresh and fresh.
We're trying a fresh dumpling, di ba? Morning. Like, they just made it there. And then, it's good. Have it.
What are we trying na?
We're trying some takoyaki now.
Ano yun?
It's like a ball with whatever.
Very soon as soon.
We're here now. Dinala kami sa yes. Makakasama to sa vlog namin Ilan namin sa yung family YouTube account and then you can subscribe. Right? So this is our order.
This is all.
Okay. How was the conversation with them?
There's more Filipino
Tagalog
spirit.
or- It was good.
It's good?
Tagalog.
Okay.
Magaling sila mag-Tagalog.
Sila po. Yung isang pinaka-
Sana Teo.
Oh, we're in the Duomo now, like the Duomo Cathedral, the famous cathedral here in Milan. So. We finally made it to Duomo Cathedral. And
Just took
so-
some pictures.
Yeah.
Tapos, we're gonna go look in at the domed area. Here we are.
Ooh, look at this. What a day! What a day! It was so fun.
This is where you spin 3 times for good luck.
How was it? Good? My friend here. Sammy! last day dito sa Italy. Sobrang maraming salamat kay Suhan and sa aking baby girl. I love you. Thank you so much for... Sobrang mabait sila kasi nag-invite sila ng breakfast dito. And ito si Ate Beth. And Kuya Ryan. Kuya Ryan, salamat po! Hello na po. Ate Beth, salamat sa pamilya po na ito. Nagpatuloy sa amin dito sa Italy.
My pleasure.
Yeah. Ryan, halika. Kasama ka dito. Hi!
Hello.
Hello! Huh? Ayan po si Sam and Jordan. We're going now We're going to Domo to get some Jollibee sa aking mga kaibigan. Yeah?
It is afternoon on Wednesday. We're waiting for our flight. We forgot to follow up last night. We were so tired we went to bed. And then today we had breakfast at Karen's friend's house. Went to Central to get some last minute stuff. Some Jollibee. And we're at the airport. Waiting for our flight. This is at 8% now. So... anything you want to say? Tired? See you there in Amsterdam. We're on the plane. 5% battery in our camera. We finally get to sit next to each other. It's raining, but it's an hour and a half flight, and we should be good, yeah? We'll see you later.
And so we're back in the Netherlands again, and we're walking to get Sam. I don't know where Sam is. How was the trip?
You're finally tiring.
It was a nice trip, a trip to remember.